Today we are going to cover this topics. Verb doushi. Last time we saw godan doushi. This time we are going to see ichidan doushi. Okay. So yeah, ichidan doushi. Can you?
一段動詞、
Ichidan doushi.
一段動詞、
Ichidan doushi. So yes, kanji,
漢字、
kanji,
漢字、
kanji. Okay. So in kanji, the numbers 5 to 10. So let us start with ichidan doushi. So ichidan doushi, also called as ru verbs, because most of the verbs in this group ends with ru sound. So let us look at some of the examples. Like to eat is
食べる、
taberu,
食べる、
taberu. And to answer is
答える、
kotaeru,
答える、
kotaeru. So you must have noticed that there is a hiragana over here, a. So this is ta and beru, ko, kotaeru. Okay, so there is eru and there is also iru sound. So those are ichidan verbs. However, there are some exceptions also, like in over here, it is to see is
見る、
miru,
見る、
miru. Okay. So these are ichidan doushi. Now let us look at what is ichidan. The word ichidan. Ichidan, ichi means one, and dan means steps. So this kind of steps, one step. Okay. So it means that it will have only one form. So what kind of one form? Let us look at the examples. So for example, here, ichidan verb to eat is
食べる、
taberu,
食べる、
taberu. So in this, most of the verb conjugation, the ru is striked out. It is omitted. Okay. So we just take away the ru and add something to it. So let us look at here. For example, here, do not eat is
食べない、
tabenai. Okay, so we are just taking out the ru and just adding nai. So tabenai. Let us look at the next one.
食べます、
Tabemas. So again, this is just be. It doesn't change at all. Babi bubebo. It doesn't change the form. Is just tabenai, taberu, and so on. So this is polite form. Tabemas. Okay, mass form is polite form. Next is dictionary form. Is
食べる、
taberu. Okay, so here the ru is essential because it's a basic form. Okay, let's look at next. Can eat or can be eaten is
食べられる、
okay. So this is tabe ra re ru. Okay, we are just adding ra re ru along with it. Okay, let us look at the next one. Let's eat is
食べよ
tabeyo. Okay,
う、食べよ
tabeyo. So this is why it is called ichidan, because there is only one form. And except for the dictionary form, all others will not have ru. We just take off the omit the ru and add nai, pas, rareru, and yo. Okay, let us look at one more example. Miru. Okay, to see is
う、見る、
miru.
見る、
Miru. Now, again the ru is omitted. So here, for example, do not see is
見ない。
minai.
見ない。
Minai. Okay. Polite form is
見ます。
mimas.
見ます。
Mimas. The dictionary form is
見る。
miru.
見る。
Miru. And can see and can be seen is
見られる。
mirareru.
見られる。
Mirareru. Okay. And let's see is
見よ
mio.
う。見よ
Mio. So this is why it is called Ichidan, because the conjugation, it has only one form. Unlike the Godan, which we changed here, no? A, I, U, A, O. We did not change here anything. So that is why it is called Ichidan. Okay, now let us look at some more this Ichidan verbs, and please try to change them. This I'll later on upload the image in the Facebook group, and you can practice all these verbs. Okay, I hope you have practiced the Godan verb from the last week. Okay, so let's take a look at all these examples of Ichidan verbs. To take a shower is
う。浴びる。
abiru.
浴びる。
Abiru. Okay, abiru. Next is to go out is
出る。
deru.
出る。
Deru. So all you need to do is just omit the ru and just add nai, mas, and so on. So yeah. Next is to open is
開ける。
akeru.
開ける。
Akeru. Next is to close.
閉める。
Shimeru.
閉める。
Shimeru. Okay. And to throw something is
捨てる。
steru.
捨てる。
Steru. Okay. Steru. Okay. Some more examples. Remember that miru, we are using the same kanji, but we are adding here se and ru. So miseru means to show. Okay.
見せる。
Miseru.
見せる。
Miseru. So if it is just this and ru, then it is miru. But here we are adding se. So miseru means to show. Okay, to forget.
忘れる。
Wasureru.
忘れる。
Wasureru. Okay, let's look at to sleep.
寝る。
Neru.
寝る。
Neru. And to borrow is
借りる。
kariru.
借りる。
Kariru. Okay. And the last one is to put on the clothes. Okay. Like skirt. Yeah. And like pants. Yeah. So those trousers. Okay. That is to put on or to wear is
着る。
kiru.
着る。
Kiru. So these are all examples of the Ichidan verbs. And we just have to omit the ru and add nai, abi nai, de nai, ake nai, and so on. So let us look at this particular verb. Okay. Now this is very important. So this is to enter. To enter is
入る。
hairu. Okay. To enter is hairu. Now, what would be the do not enter? what can be the do not enter? So it is, usually we would think, this is an Ichidan verb and it could be high nine. Okay. So high nine, maybe. But it is not high nine. It is actually
入らない。
hairanai.
入らない。
Hairanai. So here we are putting ra. Instead of this ru, we are putting ra and then nai. Now let us look at one more.
入ります。
Hairimasu.
入ります。
Hairimasu is polite form, mas form. The dictionary form is
入る。
hairu.
入る。
Hairu. Next is can enter is
入れる。
haireru.
入れる。
Haireru. And the last one is let's eat is oh my god, it's let's enter.
入ろ
Hairo. This is not eat. I'm sorry, I made this mistake. This is not eat, it is enter. So hairo. Okay. So if you look here, there are 5 different forms. Ra, ri, ru, re, and ro. It means that this is not Ichidan, this is Godan. Remember, Godan has all u ending verbs. And it also has this u, okay? Like ma, mu, nu. So here, ru is also, there is also Godan verb. So how to remember it? We just have to remember all of them, all this. Unfortunately, there are not many. So earlier we saw this hairu, and we can also say iru. Okay, iru means to go in. Let us look at the next Godan verb with ru ending.
う。
Hashiru.
走る。
Hashiru means to run. And to need is
いる。
iru.
いる。
Iru. And to return is
帰る。
kairu.
帰る。
Kairu. To limit is
限る。
kairu.
限る。
Kairu. To cut is
切る。
kiru.
切る。
Kiru. To chatter is
しゃべる。
shaveru.
しゃべる。
Shaveru. And to know is
知る。
shiru.
知る。
Shiru. So all these endings, we have to use all those 5 different forms. Ra, ri, ru, re, ro. Okay. All right. So let us look at the summary. Ichidan verbs. So Ichidan verbs means one step or one form only. So we just in the verb conjugation, we just omit ru and add nai, ya, mas, or rareru, or you, yo. Okay, it's not you, it's yo. Okay, this is Romaji, yo. It's not you. And except for the dictionary form, which is the basic form, okay? We add ru. And there are Godan verbs with ru endings. which has ra, ri, ru, re, ro suffix. So please remember this. So I have explained about the Ichidan verbs. Now let us look at the next topic. Kanji. So this is kanji, okay? And this kanji is for 6, okay? Please look at the stroke order. And how many strokes does it have? It has 4 strokes, okay? We call it strokes because we are originally the brush was used. So stroke 4. And onyomi is
roku,
roku.
roku,
Roku. And kunyomi is
mutsu,
mutsu.
mutsu,
Mutsu. So this is mu, and then there is a small tsu. It means that this tsu is to be stretched. Mutsu, like that. Okay, not mutsu, but mutsu. Now, let us look at some of the words where this 6 is used. Okay, this kanji is used. So for number 6 also, it's
roku,
roku.
roku,
Roku. This is how it is pronounced. Roku. For 6 things, I have 6 things. It means
mutsu,
mutsu.
mutsu,
Mutsu. So this is mutsu. And this number 6 is
rokuban,
rokuban.
rokuban,
Rokuban. In the calendar, the 6th day, okay? 6th day of the month is
muika,
muika.
muika,
Muika. Okay, muika. 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 So this is the 6th day of the month. And let us look at the last one. For the month June. June in Japanese is
rokugatsu,
rokugatsu.
rokugatsu,
Rokugatsu. Okay. So these are all different pronunciations which are used. Onyomi and kunyomi. This is how they are used. Now let us look at the next kanji. 7. Okay, this is for 7. And this is how the stroke order is. So first stroke 1 and 2. And there are 2 strokes, okay, in this. Onyomi is
shichi,
shichi.
shichi,
Shichi. Okay. And kunyomi is
nana,
nana.
nana,
Nana. Okay. And when we say 7, there are 2 pronunciations. You can use any of it. Okay, anyone. It's all right. It's not wrong. So 7 is
shichi, nana,
shichi or nana.
shichi, nana,
Shichi or nana. Okay, whichever you can use. For 7 things, it is
nanatsu,
nanatsu.
nanatsu,
Nanatsu. Number 7 is
nanaban,
nanaban.
nanaban,
Nanaban. And 7th day of the month is
nanoka,
nanoka.
nanoka,
Nanoka. So this is na, and then it's not nanaka, it is nanoka. Okay, please remember this. And the July month is
7月、
shigatsu.
7月、
Shigatsu. Okay, so shigatsu. It's not nanagatsu, it is shigatsu. So please remember this. Okay, now let's go to the next number 8. So this is 8. Very simple stroke order. 1 and 2. Very easy. And the strokes, there are 2 strokes, 1 and 2. The onyomi is
hachi,
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 hachi. And the kunyomi is
yatsu,
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 yatsu. And there is one more,
yo,
yo,
yo.
yo. So there are 2 pronunciations, okay, kunyomi. So for 8 is
hachi,
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 hachi. 8 things is
yatsu,
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 yatsu. Okay, there is small s here. And 8 o'clock is
hachiji,
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 hachiji. 8 o'clock is hachiji. Okay. 8th day of the month is
yoka,
yoka.
yoka,
Yoka. It's not yaka. It is yoka. Yoka. Okay. And the August is
8月、
hachigatsu.
8月、
Hachigatsu. Okay. So this is how it should be pronounced. Okay. Now let's look at the 9. 9. Yes. And this is how the strokes are written. And there are strokes, 2 strokes. Onyomi is
9、
Q,
9、
Q. So there is Q, Q, okay, Q. And there is one more onyomi,
く、
Ku,
く、
Ku, okay. So Q and Ku. Please remember. And kunyomi is
9つ、
kokonotsu.
9つ、
Kokonotsu. It's like coconuts. That's how I used to remember. Okay. So 9 is
9、
Q.
9、
Q. So Kyuu. That's how it's written in Romaji. And 9 things is
9つ、
kokonotsu.
9つ、
Kokonotsu. I like this word, kokonotsu. And 9 o'clock is
9時、
Kuji. Kuji. It's not Kyuji. It is Kuji. Okay? Ku and Ji. Just Ku. Kuji. The 9th day of month is
9日、
Kokonoka.
9日、
Kokonoka. I like this word also. Kokonoka. And the next is September. September is
9月、
Kugatsu.
9月、
Kugatsu. Okay, this is ku and gatsu. It's not kyugatsu, it's kugatsu. So yeah, so we are nearly come to the end of the lesson. Next is this. 1 and 2. There is just 2 strokes. 1 stroke and then the second stroke like this. So this is how it should be written. If it starts from here, it should be written from here and then here. And there are 2 strokes. And onyomi is
10、
ju.
10、
Ju. Okay. Ju. Okay. So there is extra vowel here. Ju. And konyomi is
と、
to.
と、
To. So to. Okay, that's how we have to say. So now 10 is
10、
ju.
10、
Ju. Okay. And 10 things is not jutsu or totsu. There is no tsu here. Please remember this. I always used to make mistake when I was learning it. So to, it's just to, not to, tsu, and so on. So 10 things is
と、
to,
と、
to. And okay, so 10 o'clock is
10時、
juji,
10時、
juji. So this is uji, yeah? Extra u, okay. And the 10th day of the month is
10日、
toka,
10日、
toka. And October is
10月、
10月,
10月、
10月. So these are all kanjis that today we need to learn. Now I'll stop sharing. So today it was quite fast. So okay, so we have finished today's lesson. I'll upload the videos. And I'm sorry that I didn't upload the pronunciation video yet. This week I was a little bit. Oh, I need to learn this language. Anyway, thank you. Since there is no more lesson, no more questions also, I'll stop the recording.